Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kosnatim Tungwa from Dynamic Projection Trading. I thought today let me just share the Bitcoin US dollar. So I think December last year on the 23rd, if I'm not mistaken, when was it? Yes, 23rd of December last year, I forecasted that the Bitcoin is going to come and test the QML. This QML that is marked on the chart in front of me, this one here. So it looks like the price is now already in this area. Ever since even this, I've been forecasting that this price is going to come to this level. We've been struggling to get to 6,000. I think this is close to 6,000. Yeah, so I've been forecasting this move down here. So it looks like it's time now we get to this structure, because this is a structure I've been focusing in terms of wave analysis. This is a let's just say this is a one wave down, and we've got this 1, 2, 3 wave up with a running flat. We've got this another wave that is coming down like that. So this last wave was not complete because we had this one move that was coming down. So I thought maybe it wanted to become impassively. Yes, so I saw this move doing this corrective structure over here. So because of this move that was busy happening here, so I assume that we are going to test the QML, because I saw that this thing is not going to go up yet to the upside yet. We're still going to come down to this level, because we want this to be what? To be the WXY structure, to be the 333. That means even this move, it's going to be a three wave to this QML over here. So it looks like now we are about to approach this QML that is coming down here. Right. So now I just want to share this setup with you, so that everyone, if you are interested to trade this thing downside, you can now trade it downside. Let's look, where is this now? Let's look, where is this now? Let's look, where is this thing now? So if by the look of things, if you can just take a look at this, you will see that it has already reached the level that I was anticipating, that I was looking at. So we've already reached that level. This is a level that I was looking at ever since I was forecasting this thing. So we still want to come down here before we can see any move of the Bitcoin to the upside. So I'm still expecting this to drop a little bit down before it can push upside. So let's look as to what exactly it's going to happen here. So guys, this is a big move that we are going to get, that is going to come to this level. So let me just see what level is this. Let me just see what level is this exactly. So yes, it's about 6,000, 5,000, around about there. But I'll expect maybe to this to come to 6,000. That's where I will expect my profit to sit at. So this will come fast. This will come fast to the downside. It will keep dropping like that until it reaches this level down here. So I guess it's a nice opportunity now at this area to start selling this to the downside. Let me just share a little bit on when to enter. Can we enter now for a sell? Can we do what? Right? We just need to see. There's a lot of possibilities here, guys. There's a lot of possibilities that for these people before they even drive the price down. But all I know, all I understand is that they're still going to drive this price to the downside. That's all I see now. That's what they're going to do. Because if you look at it on the weekly chart, let's just go and look at it on the weekly. I'll just close here. This is a QML that I've been looking at ever since. It has not been tested yet. So I think as you see that now this whole part, this one, it's a corrective structure. It's not yet complete, so it should be complete. So I assume it's gonna end in this kind of a QML here, and it's gonna start pushing to the upside. So right now, I'm not definitely sure if that push to the upside is the push that is going to be equal to this push yet. So we are not sure yet, but I've got enough evidence that this is just going to push up higher, right? So we don't know whether they're gonna do this, come up higher yet, because if they already gave us this three wave down, three wave up, maybe they're gonna come down impulsively, give us this kind of a corrective structure before they even push up higher, which means they can give us this ABC structure that you can see over here with the regular flat in between. So there's a possibility that you can even see this going sideways up and down. You'll be hoping that this is going to go to 30, only to find out it's going to go come and take these high points here, come and take these highs and drop again to 5,000, these levels. So there's a possibility that we're going to come to these 5,000 to these 5,000s here. So if it happens that we break the higher, just a second, guys. Okay, right. Let's continue, guys. So this is a possibility that I'm looking at. So it's still I'm still anticipating that we are still going to move sideways with this Bitcoin over here. So right, let's just go and see what opportunity we can find to trade this to this level that I'm anticipating to complete this corrective structure. Remember, I just said we just left to complete the last wave of the correction down. That's what we left to complete. We just need to move down a little bit and uh, expect this to to start pushing higher. So I hope we're not going to miss that trade to the upside. Right. Let's come to our chart here, guys. Just okay. Let's just get to our chart here. This is our chart for the Bitcoin. Now we are tracking this in order to get an entry, right? Right. So what I'm looking at, guys, I'm looking if you want to trade this, price is right now accumulating over this area. So you can look up for price just going to push a little bit up to 8873.15. That's the entry all the way down. So our stop loss is going to sit right up into this highs here. So it's going to be 9222.71. That's where your stop loss is going to sit at. But you are just going to take the trade all the way down to, so if we start to break these levels here, when the trade comes down and starts to break these lows here, you can start to move your stops to break even and protect your positions that you'll be taken from these levels here. So you can invest or you can also decide to take your profits somewhere here, some of your profits, and maybe wait for another entries down. So as for me, I like to trade this by bit by bit by bit. So I don't think I can be able to trade this all the way down, hold this thing up to 5783.10. No, I think me, myself, and my team will be able to trade this bit by bit all the way to the downside. But yeah, if you are interested to trade this, you can expect to take a trade at this. That will be your entry price, 8873.15. It's an entry price. We expect this to come all the way down here. So right now we see the price is in accumulation. You might think that this maybe is a flag, is going to push down. No, I don't think so. If it happens, we might maybe look for another entry opportunities. If it happens that this pushed the way down, we are going to look for another entry opportunities in this area. But all I'm thinking is that this, I just want to see this coming up here into this level before it goes down. So this will be an entry for the Bitcoin. So for the next coming trading sessions, you can expect that this you can just wait. So don't just sell this thing here. If you sell this thing here, you can see that there is what yeah they are, we are still looking for buyers and sellers in this area. Therefore, that is why you see that price is moving sideways before, because we need buyers or sellers. But if we get enough buyers in this area, then we're gonna see the price coming up like that. But if it happens that we get enough sellers than buyers, therefore we'll see the price start to push down as well. But over here, the price is looking for people with big money, big accounts, so that they can start shaking this market up or down. So, but what I'm looking for this to come to 8873.15. This is not going to this is not going to push up, but it's going to come to this level before it drops. That's what I'm expecting to see on the Bitcoin. Right, guys. Uh, if you need to, if you need more information regarding this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number below, or my Telegram, direct Telegram, and also there's a Telegram group. If you need to join my Telegram group and see my free Telegram group, you can find the link below this video. Okay, cheers, guys. Enjoy. Have a nice one, and happy New Year. Cheers. Bye.